This is a capture/capture race problem for black. So black is trapped in here and will have to capture white. So black can of course play this Atari first. It will not hurt black's chances. And this throw in is always valuable in this situation. To play here, and this will just give white an extra liberty, and now white already succeeds after 5 and 6 because white has 5 liberties and black only has 4. So number 3 should throw in here. It's always going to be useful. And the key move here is this diagonal move. Now if white plays this, then black can Atari from behind and play this move. Now white is trapped. White has only 3 liberties left. If it tries this move to get out, black can throw in here and catch white in a connect and die pattern, like this. After number 9, white already cannot escape and will lose this race to capture. But if white plays here, then this number 5 really sets up this wedge move because white cannot come in here. So white can only play on the first line, but black can Atari and cut. So the only way white can do to prevent itself from being immediately captured is to keep playing here on the second line. Black will Atari from behind, and again, this throw-in move is really key. If it doesn't throw in, then this will just give white an extra liberty when you play on here on the side. So this throw-in move is really key. White cannot capture here, it's a snapback. So white can only capture number 11. Black Ataris, white connects, and this pattern will just go on, right? White cannot crawl here, otherwise black can play 17, and white cannot escape. So white's best chances is keep playing this, and for the purpose of our problem, black can succeed this way, because it will push white all the way to the corner, and white only has 3 liberties at most, while black has 4. So this is a correct sequence, I believe, for the purpose of our problem. Of course, number 3 can also be here without playing this throw-in first. If white connects now, black can come in like this. And this will also guarantee black success, because now black will be able to win this race to capture this way. So the takeaway here is that this exchange usually doesn't hurt your chances. Of course, you calculate for every situation. Throwing in here is almost always good. It always reduces white's liberty in this situation. And in this type of situation where white is about to get out, here on the second line, it's about to come out on the third line, this diagonal move is really key for containing white. So if you remember 1, 3, and 5 as useful techniques, you're going to do much better in these capture problems. Thank you for watching.